How to edit your comedian profile. This video will show you how to edit your comedian profile on Plauzzable. After you log in, go to the top right corner of the window and click on your profile icon. From the menu, select Settings. Here you can update your profile picture. To add a photo, click on the photo circle. Select a photo from your File Manager pop-up window and click Open. You can zoom in or out to adjust your photo and then click Save Image. To change a photo, click the trash can icon to delete the existing photo. Then click on the photo circle. Select a photo from your File Manager pop-up window and click Open. You can zoom in or out to adjust your photo and then click Save Image. The first section is called Personal Information. Here you can update your first and last name, pronouns, city, state, and country. This information will be shared on your public-facing comedian profile. You may also choose to share your age range. This helps Plauzzable better understand community demographics, and your age range will remain private. When you are finished, click Save. The second section is Comedian Information. Here you can share years of experience, the type of comedy you perform, and your comedian bio. This information is public on your comedian profile and helps fans learn more about you. The next section is Links. Here you can personalize your Plauzzable URL. You can share a link so fans can connect with you on your Facebook page, or learn more about your TV and film credits on IMDb. You can also add your comedy reels from YouTube or Vimeo. Your videos will then be embedded on your public comedian profile. When you are finished, click Save. To review, you can view your public profile by clicking View My Public Profile, or by clicking on Profile in the drop-down menu next to your photo in the top navigation bar.